Choking is a common medical emergency that can happen to anyone at any time. It can be a scary experience for both the person who is choking and those around them. Knowing how to respond to choking emergencies is crucial in preventing serious complications or even death. In this article, we will discuss the steps you can take to respond to choking emergencies effectively. Choking occurs when an object, such as food or a foreign body, blocks the airway and prevents air from flowing into the lungs. This can cause serious complications such as lack of oxygen, brain damage, or even death if not treated immediately. Choking can occur due to various reasons, including the signs and symptoms of choking may vary from person to person, but some common symptoms include inability to speak or breathe, coughing or wheezing, bluish skin or lips, clutching the throat, loss of consciousness,